This is a capture race challenge for black. It's actually a pretty classic problem. There's only one move black can make, and that's standing down here. After this move, black is really aiming for this bend on the first line. And this way, black can capture white in this connect and die. And of course, if white captures here, black can connect this way and kill white. If white connects on the inside, it's the same thing. Black can still bend here and capture white in a connect and die. If white plays on the first line, preventing black's potential bend, black can still win this way. Or if white plays here, then once again, black will still win. So that's really the magic of this first move. It will guarantee black's success. Other moves will fail. You push here and stand down. Now white can occupy the liberties from behind, and black will fail this way, or this way, right? This is still a connect and die. So that's why black cannot push first. If black bends, then what happens now is that white will just block here, and if black connects, now this is 3 liberties on 2. Black will fail. If black pushes, it's actually the same story, right? Black will still fail this way, and black cannot really capture a connect and die because black only has 1 liberty left. So that's what's really interesting about this pattern. Pushing here, of course, is very tempting, but black should definitely refrain from it and stand down as the first move. Make sure you sort through all the variations on your own because this is pretty classic and pretty important. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.